Cadillac will reduce the base price of the 2024 Lyriq Rear Wheel Drive to around $60,000. That compares to a starting MSRP of $62,990 for the 2023 Lyriq Rear Wheel Drive, which will likely have less content. We're so used to electric vehicles becoming more expensive with each new model year, and even in between model years, that we're always skeptical when an automaker announces a price reduction. It has been from here to there concerning the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. Firstly, it was a price increase, next the puzzle of a halt and price increase. Then now we have a new alert of a price reduction. For today's video, let's examine this new alert of reducing the price of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. Great to have you back on Lyriq Media, where information is key and accuracy is the drive to keep you abreast of the latest information and trending news regarding the EV Lyriq Cadillac and other future EVs from the Cadillac company. So, if you're an enthusiast or owner of these electric vehicles, there is a spot on this channel. We function as a family. We listen to your feedback in the comment section and make all of the required videos with the knowledge you need to stay current in the EV industry. If you're new here, please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you. Cadillac appears to have one plan for the 2024 Lyriq, despite previously indicating that it would implement a price increase for the new model year. The starting price for the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq on the automaker's customer website is around $60,000, excluding the destination charge. That's nearly $3,000 less than the base price of the 2023 Lyriq, which is currently listed as sold out on Cadillac's website. The pricing corresponds to the base rear-wheel drive trim in both cases and includes the destination charge, $1,195 for the 2023 model. Prices for the all-wheel drive 2024 Cadillac Lyriq begin around $64,000, which is also a lower starting MSRP than the $64,990 for the 2023 model. Let us hope that by around Cadillac denotes a minor difference of up to $100 upwards or downwards. Before you get too excited, keep in mind that the revised pricing includes a trade-off in terms of standard equipment. Cadillac spokeswoman Paige Tatulli told Motor Authority that the company adjusted the pricing to reflect the vehicle's content. She didn't go into detail, but it's reasonable to assume Cadillac removed some standard features to achieve the lower price. We'll just have to wait for the automaker to reveal which ones will be removed. The price cut is an interesting development, given that Cadillac was previously planning to raise the base price of the 2024 Lyriq rear-wheel drive model to around $70,000. Cadillac launched sales of the Lyriq in May 2022, with the rear-wheel drive debut edition model starting at $59,900. That was a special price for the launch edition model, which Cadillac claimed sold out in 10 minutes, though the number of rear-wheel drive debut edition units was not disclosed. We don't expect the specifications of the 2024 Lyriq to differ from those of the 2023 model. The base rear-wheel drive model has a rear-mounted motor that produces 340 horsepower, 253 kilowatts, and 325 pound-feet, 440 newton-meters of torque, while the all-wheel drive model has a dual-motor powertrain that produces 500 horsepower, 372 kilowatts, and 450 pound-feet, 610 nanometers. Both models are powered by a 100 kilowatts-hour battery with an EPA estimated range of 312 miles, 502 kilometers, for the rear-wheel drive model. The all-wheel drive Lyriq's EPA range has yet to be announced. The Cadillac Lyriq 2024 is now available for pre-order, with production set to begin in spring 2023. It is worth noting as a reminder that Cadillac Lyriq all-wheel drive will gain two hallmark features for 2024 model year. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq was the very first all-electric production vehicle for the Cadillac brand, offering a combination of cutting-edge technology and traditional Caddy luxury. Looking ahead, we learned that the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq all-wheel drive will gain two important features that are currently not available for the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq all-wheel drive. The 2024 Cadillac Lyriq all-wheel drive will be available with the rear camera mirror feature as well as 22-inch dynamic split-spoke reverse rim alloy wheels with a polished gloss black finish. The wheels will also include 22-inch all-season self-sealing low-profile tires. The rear camera mirror should be equipped as standard, given that it is currently standard for the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq Rear Wheel Drive. Meanwhile, the 22-inch dynamic split-spoke wheels will be an optional extra. Pricing for the wheels is currently set at $1,550 for the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq Rear Wheel Drive. As we covered previously in our videos, the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq was equipped as standard with 20-inch wheels, while the 22-inch rollers are an optional extra. The standard setup includes split 6-spoke alloy wheels with a diamond cut or dark android finish and gloss black aero inserts tagged with RPO code NZN. The 20-inch wheels are wrapped in 265/50R20 all-season self-sealing tires. To note, the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq all-wheel drive trim also includes the trailering prep package as standard. Worthy of note to remind us all is that the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq will get more traditional trim level lineup. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq was launched with a limited run debut edition trim level and was also made available in the luxury rear-wheel drive and luxury all-wheel drive configurations. The luxury serves as the base trim level in Cadillac's product portfolio, which means the 2023 model year Lyriq is only being sold in the least expensive trim for the time being. This will change for the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq, with GM likely to offer a more traditional trim level lineup. It will likely consist of the base luxury trim, as well as the two premium luxury and sport branches. Up-level platinum versions of the premium luxury and sport trim levels may also be offered. As a reminder, the Cadillac Lyriq features GM Ultium battery technology and GM drive motor technology for motivation, with powertrain output ranging between 340 horsepower and 500 horsepower. Range per charge is rated at more than 300 miles. Under the skin is the GM BEV3 platform, with production taking place at the GM Spring Hill plant in Tennessee. But what do you think? Will GM with their Cadillac brand be able to scale up production to meet customers' needs? Will GM succeed to meet its projected timelines and production figures that was predicted before 2030? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. And if you have any questions you'd like to have answers to regarding 2023 and 2024 Cadillac Lyriq SUV, be sure to write them in the comments, and we'd go through and pick some of those questions and suggestions to answer and discuss in our subsequent videos. And that's where we wrap things up for today. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe to help the channel grow and cover more energy-related innovations. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification feature to stay current. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.